Hey everyone, so today we have a very special collection for all of you. It's the collection of metal toy cars that I have here, and the owner of this collection is also with us to take us through the special ones in his collection and why is it special for him, right? Before we do that, I really want you guys to take a close sneak peek at all the magnificent cars that are lined up here, the metal ones. So all of these cars, I think nearly 30 of them belongs to this guy right here, Siddhant. Hey Siddhant.
Hey,
So Siddhant, amongst all these cars in your collection, which are the ones you like the most?
I like this one
Okay.
because it flips.
Oh, interesting.
If we press this, it goes up. If we do like, if we leave it, it goes like this.
Oh, nice. Okay. That's a really cool one. It
It
looks
can-
like a fly.
Yes, it can go like this.
Okay.
And I like this one because it changes its color.
Oh, nice. How does it do that?
We can put it in hot water. It turns into red.
Okay.
If it now I put it in cold water, that's why it turned into yellow.
Oh, nice. Okay. So that one flips, another one changes color. Okay. What next?
I like this one because it is the Batmobile
Of course.
and it belongs to Batman.
Oh.
And Batman is my favorite DC
Superhero.
character.
Okay. So that is the Batmobile right there. Super cool one, that one.
And I like this because it is a police car and it can go very fast.
Of course, police cars are meant to go fast because they need to catch a lot of thieves. So that's it, guys. So if you guys could see very clearly the number of cars which are lined out here, and this belong to different companies. Some are Mattel, some are Hot Wheels, some are, for example, this one is from a company called, what is it called? Zuru. It's called Zuru. It's made in China. There are other cars which is made in Malaysia. This one, for example, is called Skull Crusher, right? Really, this is from, I think, yeah, Hot Wheels. You could clearly see that name, Skull Crusher, and it is made in Malaysia. There are some which is made in Thailand.
There's no Thailand.
There is one in Thailand. I saw that. Then we have something which is yeah. This is made in Malaysia again. I think most of the Hot Wheels are made in Malaysia.
Yes, and some of them are mostly everything is made in China in this world.
Yeah, obviously China is the place to manufacture all these things for a really cheap price, and that's the reason why people
And
make
why
it.
it is which
So
one?
this one is made in Indonesia, by the way. That's a different one. It's called Power Piston. It's made in Indonesia.
And this is called the Dragon Blaster.
So the one called Dragon Blaster, obviously it looks like a dragon from the side and the front.
And this is also Zuru. It is made in China.
Zuru, yeah. This is a really good one. The really interesting part is the flashy colors that you guys can see here and the eye to detail with which these are made, right? So you could clearly see all the different parts of the car very clearly in this one, which is super nice. Anything else? What else can we see? Okay, this is another one.
And this one, it glows in the dark. If you had this car, you can take this car, and if you go to sleep and it is dark outside, you can go outside or turn all the lights off. Inside the white part, it turns into green.
Okay, so this is a glowing car. What you was explaining?
Just like this, it turns into green.
Yeah,
Can you
yeah,
see it?
yeah. So there is a fluorescence coloring to it, due to which you could see it in the dark. It's a glow in the dark car. So some of these cars, essentially, each one has its own delight to it. Some of it is built with different features. Some of it is glow in the dark. Some of it flips. Some of it changes color. So all kind of different combinations you can see here, and of course the famous one, which is the Batmobile, one which belongs to Bruce Wayne, who is the Batman. So that's it, guys. I hope you guys really like this video, and so that's a wrap from me and Siddhant. So Siddhant, what is your plan? How many cars do you plan to collect?
I want to take it to 50.
Oh, awesome. So his next target is to take it to 50, and I think he's not far from it. He already have more than 50% of the collection goal. So I hope you guys really liked it, and if you guys are planning to collect metal cars, it's a really cool way to collect and display. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.